Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our Oven BBQ Flavored Chicken, everybody. These are the main ingredients that we use, which is about 4 ingredients, okay? That includes paprika and garlic, everybody, as well, okay? We incorporated everything into this luscious, nice drumsticks. We massaged every bit in. And don't forget, again, the paprika is for the color, okay? Not smoked paprika. You can use smoked paprika, but we use plain at this point. Now, you go ahead and massage it in. Make sure you get the tops, the bottoms, the sides, everywhere, all incorporated on the chicken like how you massage your man, ladies. Now, grandmother, okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we baked it under 375 degrees for a good 45 to 50 minutes. We want to make sure everything is done. Now, that's how we do it, nice and simple in the oven. If you can't get out there grilling and barbecuing, oven style is even better. Make sure you guys follow us more on YouTube, you guys. Also, we have our slamming potato salad secrets that's on our YouTube channel, and it can turn out looking like this, you guys. Don't be showing up with no runny potato salad. We also have our cookbook available on Mama Soul Kitchen, and we also have our Just Desserts Child as well, just for the sweet tooths only. See you guys soon.